Sige, ato padulan.
Bawal na din. Ang lingin na din. Ang lingin na din ng kandila.
Ang lingin daw, asa mo ito?
Ano.
Oh, ito to dito sa buwan.
Our Father who art in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven.
Give us this day our daily bread. Give us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Sa bag si June Ross, niya, ganahan sa bag si Matwin, ganahan sa bag si Jurel, ipadaplin na, kay mo na itong rafolon. Si Kinsay makahulbot. Padaplin. Para wain mahay. Og ikaw makahulbot, Lair, nasa sayo na yan. Kung ibigay mo ba kay Matwin.
Hey! Yeah, this is... No, I'm not my mom. Okay?
Hey everybody, my name is Matt, and together with me is, our family. And we're going to play right now what we call Paint the Face, Balikbayan raffle game. So, we have here right now our mom who just came from UK and brought us a lot of things, which we have chocolates. See here, we have chocolates, we have sorts of shoes, bags, yeah, of course, rubber shoes as well, right? And not only that, we're gonna win box of money later on. Okay, we have these are guys with me. This is June.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah, he's busy with the phone right now.
Yeah.
Okay, this is Zira, playing mermaid. Okay, Lira, this is Lira, right? And the special person who's with here right now, which is my mom, is gonna be a lot scarier than you thought, because you'll find out. Okay. That was just a taste from what we're gonna do, because you're gonna see if. And you have to find out if who's the mom we're talking about, okay? So, we'll be right back after this reminders. Okay.
This one is from UK. It's called Intro. Man Rock. Body Move. Desperate. Smells good.
With the ass, the new food deodorant, you could actually use it in your food and call it as well too. Okay, so we're gonna start the game now. So I'm going to let you see, and as I've said, you're gonna find out if who is the mom we're talking about from UK. Balikbayan, right? Here we go. Sounds like a guy, but it's not a guy. She's our mom.
Hello.
This will be your first trouble. It's bag. So,
Right.
who could win this bag
Right.
will be the lucky person for today.
Now, I forgot to say or to tell you the mechanics. The mechanics is we're gonna have a draw, alright? We're gonna take a paper, and if whoever is the person who can take the paper without any note in it, then that will be the person is gonna have those paintings on the face, right?
Okay, it's time for the ruffle. Could you please come? We're gonna,
Is that gonna be by age or? Okay. What?
here from my right side, please.
You're so scary. You're scared. Oh, okay. Okay, Joel, your turn.
Okay, go. Toilet go.
Now, June's turn. Okay, so ready? One, two, go. No writing.
The winner is
No writing still.
Maxwell.
What about that?
Okay. Now you are exempted for the you're exempted for the face painting, but you're included to paint their faces.
I will be the one to paint the faces. Okay.
Yes, you're the first one.
I'm sorry about that. So who's gonna have the paper without any writings? Will be the one to paint their faces. Watch me.
So who got the number one? The number one, Bella?
Who got number one? Edit. Sino ganang color dun?
Sige. Ato, madool nga to sa number one.
Ang ibabot ang 20 pounds. One. Two.
Yes.
That's two. The right thing.
Painting.
Next.
Who's number two? Got the number two? Okay.
Number two. Who's number two?
You.
I thought I'm gonna be the one to write.
No, what I meant to say, who got the number two? He go for June. Everybody will go for June to paint the face.
So the one who got number one will be the one who's gonna be painted.
That's
with the
right.
face.
That's
Okay.
right. But you're exempted because you're the one who won.
Okay, so
Two.
two drawings.
Okay.
That's what's up. It's my turn.
Number three.
It should be highlighted.
Colorful.
Here comes. Thank you very much.
Enjoy, have fun.
This is the Ice Age commercial. Right, so let's start.
Okay, this time we'll go on my left side. We'll start on the left side. For June,
Galing. Okay, I'll be the last one to get something.
yay! What is that?
It's for year one.
Okay, for woman,
It's something that we're gonna have in the bro.
yeah.
So she got the chocolate.
Yeah, so you did it this time. Number one. Okay, painting time again.
Is this gonna be censored? Is this gonna be censored? I'm supposed to be the MC.
I will be the first one.
Another Lord. Next. Who's number 2?
What's that? One? Oh, 1 and 2.
Thank you.
Okay, it's turn for number 3.
Just number 3.
If you don't stop, you can make a long painting.
We're talking about this. We've spoken about this, right? Is that gonna be a long painting? What are you doing?
It's like nothing. There's a bird. Do that later on. Okay.
They've been
It's
cheating.
time.
They've been cheating. Right. Now, this is something you don't want to happen when you have a balikbayan mom. Okay. Now, so is that together with the shoes, with chocolate?
Now it's time for.
I'm gonna make this a little bit, tougher. Okay, 'cause I'm rolling these 2 papers so that they couldn't see and determine which is with the right thing. Where's the bunot
Here.
pouch?
Where is it?
Right.
Sure.
Now, and we're gonna put it inside this small pouch. Okay? Right. Okay. Up.
Yay! Congratulations to me!
So now it's gonna be.
This is the minute that we're gonna give the prize to Lyra.
Other chocolate?
Okay, the last one will be Liram dyan. The last one will be Liram dyan.
Yay!
Right. We've got our Verdugo now awarding the
Thank
winner.
you!
Okay. So, Jun's gonna write something on Jarrell's face. Number 1, that's the non-stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Hi. My turn na. No. Ano done yun? Ano done yun? This is number 2.
No, wait, stop.
Okay. All blue?
Hey!
Wait, stop. Okay. Okay.
Stop it.
Now. We're almost done. They're cheating.
Stop it.
This is unfair. So, we're gonna start with what? What's next?
The shoes is
50 pounds.
That's no. The shoes isn't ready. Is it done? No.
No, one last more because it is very unfair without Lyra. So, Autumn,
I have to
So okay, we'll write on.
Because the 3 of us will come. The 3 of us is here. Already here.
Come here. Come here. No.
We have to present it now.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Now, this is what happened to you when you're the last one who are not painted on the face, right? Okay. So, we're gonna go with the big jackpot round, the 20 pound round.
The four of
Okay.
you.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Big joke.
What's the difference?
Hindi kita na rin.
Wala na, kaya ko t-shirt ko lang, hansa na ito.
Pukul dulu.
Okay.
Oh, what's that?
Yeah.